Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the device and opening the alarm app. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked and awake. This lets you change settings quickly. On the watch, tap the alarm icon, or on iPhone, open clock, then alarms to sync changes. Once done, decide whether you need a one-time alarm, a recurring schedule for weekdays, or multiple alarms for different times. This choice determines the next steps so you don't redo work. Now set the alarm time and refine options. Tap Add Alarm or select an existing alarm, then rotate the digital crown to pick hours and minutes. On iPhone, you can type for exact minutes. Make sure to set AM or PM correctly, and then choose Repeat to pick specific days. Also set a clear label so you know the alarm's purpose, and toggle snooze depending on whether you want repeat reminders. These steps ensure the alarm behaves the way you expect. Finish by saving and confirming your alarm is active on the watch face. You should see the alarm listed and switched on. Make sure sound volume or haptic strength is set so you'll notice it. If alarm seems silent, check that Do Not Disturb or theater mode is off and that wake screen settings allow sound or haptics. If problems persist, restart the watch, verify you have the latest watch OS, and recreate the alarm. This often fixes sync or profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.